fully active. Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. YouTube, what we not deal with. Here we go. We have a new movie called My Woman, My Downfall. I want to do the usual. Like, comment, share, watch, share again, watch again, like again, and comment all 5 times. I know so I really enjoy the movie. But enough chattings. Get some popcorn, grab your family, and just enjoy the movie. Alright? Alright. What, mommy?
Morning, son. You alright?
Yeah, man, morning. How you did?
Yeah, every day I look and I live and give God thanks. I send some message on the phone.
Everything alright? You take a pill them?
I do all that and drink tea and everything already.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Me good.
See, you eat from morning? Mommy, you sure?
Yes, man. You know, see the porridge from the stove.
Tell me,
Eat,
you know.
man.
I know so everything not perfect, I know, but one day I make sure so everything good and I don't have to eat porridge again, you can eat anything you want. You know, mommy not laugh, man. I see you sitting there telling me, I tell about my aspirations and goals. Real for real.
Me know. You always have a good heart. You're my good boy. I'm proud of you, you know. That's why I have to love you, my son.
Boy, I'm trying with you, man. God know me. You see when I make it, I take you out and look about us. I buy a car for you, all of my friend them. Me, I gotta do everything. I make sure that all of my friend them and me rise up. I just want, you see everybody with it around me, when I don't have nothing, even though I don't have nothing, I want to make sure that everybody good. I just saw me pray, mommy. All of my friend them I feel alright.
Davi, you have a good heart, you know. But sometimes too goody not good. Don't worry about me, baby. Me good. God will always provide. If you live your life.
I don't understand. What do you mean too goody not good? Mommy, then now you give me everything me have in this earth. You give me life one more. I have to do back everything.
No, but me give you everything me have for you to pick up the baton and move on and do better. Don't worry about me. You see the friend. Sometimes you see people face that you know, see them heart. I mean, you see leave your friend them behind, you know. I mean, know you're gonna make it. You're mighty, me know that.
Yeah.
But sometimes you see people face, you know, see them heart, my son. And not everyone of your friend them, you know,
But mommy,
concentrate on you.
me a good advice I give me now, but the whole of my friends are real until them prove me wrong. And I don't think them want to do it. But mommy, don't worry about it, man. So I'll go board also. I'll ride car with your life, knock it down and build up on a big concrete mansion. Don't worry, man. My friend ain't good, man. But look, come on here, I go up on the road and see if I can make something.
Alright, well, good, my son.
Yeah.
Alright. Love him, man.
You are what?
No be you are going now. Where you come from?
Off Fire Road.
So you come from Fire Road, they couldn't bring back one drinks, Mama can say so. I see you cheap.
Yeah, how me can afford me bring back?
I see you cheap, did it?
How me can afford? Wait.
So how you work every day, you can't afford 2 little drinks. Sister drinks are good as I leave with dear.
Do you not like say me that hard
What
working you
is?
time me have a 95? I try now.
So you can't be like Davi. We put in beer work and enough money.
Yeah, if you understand.
Tell me if one if I wrong choice to make.
Wrong choice where and how?
Nothing. Don't worry about that. Me just not like your style, brother. Every day you work, and no money now come. You just come with your broke pockets.
But I don't like say that we have a 95.
See, that's the thing. I look how the youth they make money, and you can't make no money. And if them say you can't make no money,
Yeah,
you can stop Wrld Tv.
Be a
I
fan.
can't manage your life, yeah. I can't manage your life. And my life, you just irritate me. Look at your friend and you claim to say your friend working in the same environment, right? Right?
Right.
Yet him make more money than you. There's something not right with you.
Be to the fear.
You come with big, look on big brand juice. Watch ya. Tropical rhythm. I couldn't say bring one for me to I want a big one. That's how we live.
Things are
No, be me. Avoid me. What me business?
I want to make this a girl at the end, I saw get shoot. Charge a youth, every woman go me get fight youth. My woman a fight me, my friend a fight me.
Yeah. Persistent as mine. Mama, what go on? Today, how are you doing?
I'm stressed out. What going? You good?
Yeah, stressed out for what could have caused stress?
Fear boy, I mean argument, you know?
Argument. What could have caused that?
I ain't run no food, you know, make no food.
Yo, just key dog sometime, man. I'm say, this stuff by everybody, you know. So I can't.
So I can't be ambitious like you.
Dog ambitious, man. I'm say every day me and him depend on work, you know. I don't know, but
You can't depend on work and you know, put in no effort. You have
see
to
this,
put effort, you need to make more money.
money will come in time, man. So you have to motivate. Remember say you're woman pain, you have to motivate him, you know. Remember say when days and every day go be Christmas. And every day go be worst day ever. So sometimes when things not active, you just have to know say you say. So that you and him catch up in an argument over.
Yeah.
Let's let her
But
man.
that's the main thing. I know focus on you know want work and make money and just want lie down and do nothing.
Yo, let's let her alone, man. Tell her, when I go over there, man, dog go put in some serious up. Man, I promise to say I'm gonna make $1 million today.
Make you make the money. You want me to be alright, but you make the money.
Well, I can't promise that, but alright, big up yourself.
Backside is one of your fault. How was the backside? How is your yard look so ruined and mash up and damaged? And my sister Japota so this a place I look condemned, man. Your place mash up and tan, you have to get somebody to clean up your place. I want to sell a little place and I can't. It's a place I can't sell, so I have to go get to work, man. You have to get you out of your place. It's not time good at all.
Jago, I look sad, so what go on?
Boy, I tell us tonight, I'm stressed out, bro.
What, you know, make $1 million? Don't worry about that, dog. I think we are going to make right now.
Bro.
What kind of stress you have?
I wish you know, bro. Alright, now me have a woman, bro. A big disrespect me I get from her, bro.
What kind of disrespect?
Bro, the man I know say, yo, I'm a workplace and me no have no use and the man I look on you to bro and I talk about cause it's what we are doing the same job. Remember say we are hustling in the streets,
Yeah.
bro. I make me know say Davi better than me cause Davi a show progress and me not show it, bro.
Man, the first thing that, dog. I like you tell me.
Bombardos.
Serious, eh?
Serious something, bro. Serious something, bro. No cap.
Dog, I'm not grown, you know. Dog, I guess a woman like that. I don't want to give no advice on relationship, you know, because relationship and really my strong suit. I stay to myself. I don't to keep friends, I don't to keep girlfriends. You know, so back in the day, I only for them have dog, but dog, so woman with genuine energy in real life. You know, so I see more up on the street and I see more vex up and I heal normal dog, but what me tell her dog, woman can't watch her next man's success. In real life.
Mama, if you understand, say, yo, things take time. Today for me, tomorrow for you.
I don't like that.
You can't rush it, bro.
I don't like that. So that make you sad.
Bro, in the pressure me too hard, bro. Say, yo, I'm workless and you know, no money and me. Bro, every time go on, where am I going now?
So, how long you and him there?
Yeah, I'm there for about probably say 4.5 months.
Well, yeah, if you and him there so long, you must be sitting on him then, dog. After sitting here, to make you and him there so long.
She have to see something in me too.
Dog,
But
still, you know, me not growing in a dog, but my boy follow out, you know. Pressure, I want to see you sitting there, you know. Right now, I don't know if mama fed up, you know, dog. Give me benefit I doubt, or maybe mama want a good girl, but she just cover with some dirt right now, dog. Anything can go on, you see me? What I want to tell her, watch mama. Mama no must loyal. See what's in my flip up and I say you don't make no money. And for a time girl like that, them I'll set you up for man, dog, or them go find other man out the road when they can't hold out. And you can't blame them sometime, dog, alright? I just throw me a man make me have to hold out, so, you know. No sweets.
believe, man, yo, it go happen, man, my bro.
Watch out now. Forget all that, dog. We're going to hustle and go make $1 million to the dog.
That's enough rate, you know, bro.
At that time, pretty man, forget my man alone.
What Chelsea do? Chelsea! Hi!
Jessica. Girl.
Hi, Bray.
You know, some days I turn up a whole one beds out here going on son.
You know, say, so I don't know, girl. I'm just fed up of life here. So I'm just walk up and down.
Why you fed up a life? What you do is
I
it?
come like I'm mad.
What you mean fed up a life? You got sense?
So my man,
Which school you go?
You know, so irritate me. I can't mad the broke business.
Wait there. Your man, I irritate you because you can't mother with broke business.
Yes, because he broke.
So
Every day I send him out, or if he want to go out, every day. Alright, for example, every day I say I gotta work, right?
Yeah.
And he come back in and make nothing. And every day I need friend I make it.
Are you send him out?
Whether I want to be me or him, but
So-
I have to force him to work too.
So wait,
Chelsea, that for
Jessica.
sure. That means
Oh, you try to say him not have no intention for work.
no, because I have to force him to go work.
But yeah, so every day he come back him broke and him friend and make it. So how you know about him friend?
Because
Like,
he friend, I make it for true.
oh, so you know him friend too?
Me know him friend, and me and friend, me and my friend, man.
So then go work together and him always come up
Yes.
broke but him friend have money?
Yes, you know, so today the dirty boy come back in our house. We one drinks alone, big tropical rhythm.
Jessica, listen to me now. Him used to work and do the things them before?
I
or
don't
just
know.
now?
Right now, my head happen. Right now, I'm leaving here.
Anyway, I don't want to get too involved in a relationship. I'm just a say still. You know, say I pass and from my sister drop out. That place is not turn good. It just look like one abandoned yard and I don't like it. I'm just a come
So
up in
now
there and I
abandoned?
say, me have to go get somebody to clean up the place. And I know nobody will want work.
Oh, like an idiot now, what me can't make him do it. Me, I call him.
What do you mean like an idiot now work? Are your money I refer to you an idiot there with the idiot? You understand that? Not true?
I can't bother that. I'm an idiot. You know no sense.
Oh, well, probably you
Chelsea,
don't have no
know me,
sense neither.
Chelsea, you know me.
Jessica, I don't know which
I
school you
don't
go.
understand my situation. But whatever still, me calling him. We can't do a job.
Him can't clean up the whole of this?
He will
Get
do
all
it.
them debris
Yeah,
and
he
them
have
sit
to
here.
do it. He have to do it. Yeah, we do this.
Cause me go like some of them something, but just say what can burn like all them something, yeah? Me go want them to come out of the yard. Like me go get a truck and get the something them to go dump at one place at one part. And I want the whole yard to clean up because I go sell the place. And it have it nice and clean for the buyer where I go come look on it.
You can't do it, man. Just brand things them, man. You can't do it.
Well on there. So me want them can get it done today.
Yeah, me call him and he reach her by next hour or something. You know?
Yeah, carry time early and if me
Yeah.
can get it done today, that's all good because I go by this evening and I now go come back. So I want to make an arrangement with him. Or you may make it arrangement with.
Make it with me, man. It's good. You know he looks already.
So you put him on work and you make an arrangement with?
Yep.
So
No,
I'm
me
going to
a
send the
woman.
money to your account?
Yeah, I'm a woman. I'm forget.
Alright, so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to take your WhatsApp information and you just send me the details, right? So, how much this I work your value?
No, probably 4 grand or 5.
Girl, make sure you know.
Or more than that because I know what this man for do. But me no business.
So yeah, are you make the price to say your man and your woman so you make the
So, yeah,
price?
so probably it have to be a good amount of money because I know what this.
Yes, so make the price when we get to do know what me I do because I go do this and get it over with.
15,000.
15,000?
Uh-huh.
Well, me want the work for done and I can't do it my damn self. So you know what happen? Me I go send the transaction to your account. Call the man, me get to see him and talk to him and make sure say I come and work
Yeah, you have
and
to
he man
come.
start the work before me go away because I say I go away this evening. So I don't mind get it done before me go away.
Alright.
You understand, Jessica?
Yeah.
Good. I mean I don't know hanky business, just no if not but now maybe I can get to it right away. If you can't deal with it, me just send all the money to your account.
Yeah, man, you can do it, man. Tell
Alright.
us you can do it.
Good.
Alright. Now I go down back.
Yeah, thanks. I'm glad me see you. Because girl, me really want the help and me can't lift up them big something here by
No,
myself.
I see a little, you can't manage big things.
Me not in a nothing way big, because everything for me little.
Alright, girl.
I'm glad me see Jessica, because you know, me just come up here and me afraid. Me I wonder which man me I go get, which strong body man to come cut up all them a tree and make up one fire and get some debris that show out a place. Because a place stand. But then Jessica man no big. The boy little than me. What the hell if he come up here and he can't mind your work? Master God do. The sun hot though.
Oh, Lord. I'm calling someone.
Must get up to the bro.
Yeah, dog, that's to believe, man.
Yeah, man, you take out.
I will find money and call you.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Babes, what happened?
Yeah, man, I'm going good.
Yeah, me there, you know, so I get one work for you though.
Hey, what kind of work?
One landscape work.
Hey, it's not a big money, that money the money.
Yeah man, she has 15,000, you know, that she said.
Holy heap of money that you know be. Right now, me the one Davi can mash up that you know. So how when you work with that start?
We have to start, you know, man. Go check her now. She now want blonde wig over a dead woman yard.
That's how it's woman.
Yeah, my dead old woman are dead.
Oh, Miss Carol.
Yeah, over for your yard.
So
So
I'm for the go now.
just go now, let me tell her, say we reach before 1 hour time.
Alright, me and Davi are going to pull up.
You know, have to bring Davi stills now, but if you want to bring him, bring him. Can't really enough working now, just one, I want one man work stills, but if you want to do it, I do it.
And me and my par, so me not left him out.
But you don't have to bring him.
Me say me and my par be relaxed now. Me and my go up there.
So you go get it pay.
Yeah, we split it.
Alright. Oh, we just have to forget one important thing. You see Chelsea, do not ask her nothing about no money because her man is very funny. If you ask her about money, probably she go feel, you know. So don't ask her nothing about it because she don't already tell me so tomorrow you go get it pay. So don't mention no money to her. Okay?
Alright, B.
Eh?
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Take your money, yeah? Okay, you know work, you just broke for nothing. Let me look, let me pick up for myself, for me hire man, keep on the work. Hello.
Morning.
Morning. I must you. Jessica said go reach her now and our time to do some work for me. Are you?
Yeah, man, I'm here, man. Me will virgin up.
Morning. So, I want the place to clean up. I think she tell you, right? Because she should call you.
Yeah, that she tell me, say, you want the place to clean
Alright, then debris you can't burn. So, you see, like them, I want them out there so one truck can't pick them up. But everything else you can burn. Like, all zinc them and sit and put them out there so. And everything else you can burn like them all sit there. Go hit them up so I can make one fire and just clean up the place nice and easy for me.
Alright, then.
Can you manage to do that?
We no,
start, man.
So wait, I told her do you work?
Yeah, I'm bridging this and we are I work together, you know.
She said she did go call you, so me never know say to her. But it no matter. Me did don't make an arrangement with her, so that's settled.
Alright.
See?
Yeah man, so we start out man. So you're there watching and something?
No, me go up on the road because me go have to leave shortly. Me come back and check on it further on, but for you day today, me have things to deal with. So me ask you please just deal with the thing to me on a level. Make it look professionally done because me have something to do with the place and I want it nice and clean by the time I go and come back.
Alright, no problem at all.
Alright?
Yeah man.
Alright, that. See?
Alright.
Alright. Take all the time and do what I have to do.
My share on about, not sure.
Yeah, me put down some wrecking tool right there so. And as me say, all of debris them if we can't burn, put them on the front. Me send one truck man to them.
Alright.
Alright. Respect here?
Yeah, man.
Manners.
Boy. How much a woman say you work value?
15 grand.
Not cheap still, but it can work.
You
know?
get 5 and me get 10 because me bring up on the work.
The thing I depend man, we make you work, but you should charge more still. But you are going like a 1 or 2 we have to go for. But you see how me I tell the dog say some of the time, even though a woman act up, I might be a good woman said we can't see they make you get a work.
Good man, right now I chop more and chop up this food and I can have something in my pocket.
We can do it man, go for it all them.
Yo, mash up the work fast, you know bro?
Yeah, it even take 5 hours. What you told them, not sure?
Yeah man, right now I'm tired bro.
I'm tired too. So, give me some share money now so I can buy one toast.
Bro, to tell you the truth bro, I know today we I get money now for me woman in charge bro. And he must say yo, tomorrow woman I reach out to him.
God no.
So tomorrow I make it get for your cut.
Alright, normal pray that, but I don't feel like I go running, but you trust him.
Oh God man, it's my woman that I mean.
No, okay, no bro, I'm not chat up woman, I chat to the lady. I'm saying we never work for him, you know.
Why? That's sticky, you know bro. But don't trust the process bro. The woman's in charge, so anything the woman's got like.
Alright, I'm done. I'll go over for you.
Alright, do right. Whew.
Me, I'm gonna sleep on the bed for you.
Oh. Be thanks to your work here. Appreciate you and everything and that will just come and shop you.
That's okay.
I'm tired and hungry.
That's okay.
And you want to know when woman go reach out to you so we can get the money because I want to pay David film share for your part I reckon, you know.
Should I reach out, Mom? Some loyal friend.
Loyal friend. Tomorrow you did say no?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now they not be a friend, man.
So you rush me so about me if you go
Be a
and
friend,
you leave give me
Go
a
and come
time,
here,
brother.
feel the cramp and idea, so stress me.
Alright.
Go be a no man. See you guys soon.
Hi Jessica, good afternoon again, Mama. At Chelsea. You know, say, me go up a yard, girl, go look on the walk. Me go look on the walk, and the walk well done, you don't need to. Your man can't walk, your man in bridging, cause, but if I didn't know that, me turn back, go look on the walk, and me I say, oh, me if you pay somebody so much money if you work for me, I never say they walk here. I want mine to turn back and go look if the job get done, and when me go up there, it done quicker than me expect it to be done too. Me never get to left no money, give them girl to buy their lunch or buy a drink, so me send one extra 5,000 in your account. So, just tell him say respect and thanks again. Here? Alright.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, girl, that good, man, that good. Yeah, I give them money, man. When I'm done, I look at you, I really feel so good, so. I don't do me, I don't give them money, but I give them 5 grand for me, then get something for eat.
Yes. Yes, Pinka. Hey.
Mommy.
Oh, well,
I'm tired.
oh God. Pinka, may I phone you back here? Alright, love you. What do you?
I say I hope me come off man.
Okay.
Go hustle today and sit down.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going ready from there.
Well, I do the usual, I cook and sort out the yard and everything, and I go check Pinka, and yeah, man, everything good.
Boy, I wish me I could have buy a drinks, but I didn't even get paid.
But I no payday today.
No, I'm telling you, I go on. Today I hosted me and TB, I go up on there. What? It's like a woman call him and give him a work. When you know where I do today and get on landscaping work. Mummy right now if you see the place beautiful.
Me know
Full.
anything you put your hand to.
So it's like TB tell him TB woman must tell him say tomorrow woman will pay car. Me don't know a woman, TB don't know a woman, and TB woman know the lady. So you see I must say tomorrow pay a thing forward. So I just believe and hope so I get it tomorrow. I want $15,000 work and I get 5 out there.
So hold on. Neither you nor Tibi know the woman,
No, but TB girlfriend say no him.
and the job done.
Yeah, to perfection. Can't do no better. Oh,
Man, you know, I mean I like that.
well,
If you do the job, you're supposed to get paid when the job done.
yeah, that's a true.
Not the
but-
next day after the job done already.
Yeah, that's a true. And the thing about you know, you didn't tell me, you know. I don't know if you did know or what, but kind of feel one way about that. Right now, but I want to buy one food to eat or so. I can't do it.
And you must, you know, so you can't starve once on my shift, you know, so food there. But me not feel good about that.
How about
Because and that's so you go. Because if you go down a message and buy something, you have to pay there and then. You
That's
can't
true,
tell
man,
him say you gotta take it and cook it and yam it and then you gotta come back and pay. What foolishness that, man?
That's true, man. But a friendship, you know, so sometimes I just have to make it go on. But hopefully tomorrow still I get the money.
Alright.
Get my 5 out of 15. Alright.
Alright. Food in the pot here?
Ah.
Aye. I made it now. Yes,
Boy, sardine a bad see. KFS, Kentucky Fried Sardine. Bucky, what are you?
See, I tell me, say you can't cook.
What are you? How long you reach out back to me about the money for a morning?
Me talk about the food. You can't
No, me
cook.
talk about the money
You
come
can't
up.
cook.
Yeah, me can cook, but rest that. The money, figure that, you know. How you go? Me no get the money alone.
Me I call the woman and she not answer. What you want to do?
What you mean you call her and she not answer?
Me I call Chelsea for when I not get her.
So be,
Me go up at she yard not too while ago.
be, how
I
you,
said me so tired. And she not did that. So what you want to do?
so how you tell me say you know a woman go
I'm
do
going to
that?
go and be. Come here, call her.
Go away! How me go pay that be?
So me can't be so aggressive.
B.
And I need to be aggressive pan like woman that go with your money to be aggressive pan.
B, me dey would I worry about myself. Me bring Davi pan him up. I'm supposed to be PM.
Tell me, ask you a question. Before, when me dey on the car with you, right? Me dey on the car with you, right? Me dey tell us if you not bring Davi. You say no, I'm a friend.
So,
yeah, you get knocked now because she gone with them with it.
So,
come here, call her, it like she a block me coming and saying DP.
I did plan thing.
How if you plan thing, me tell her if you not bring Davi a one thing, why you want to bring man for money share up? So, you not say you love man?
Whether me bring Davi or me not bring Davi, how will I get my money?
Me say she gone. What you want to do?
Where she gone?
How you know that me go up and she gone?
B.
She a block me when I see her DP.
Better tell us stop talking.
How we are talking,
That
sir?
get me upset.
How we are talking,
That
sir?
irritate my spirit. Stop talking.
Come leave the place here, man. Come on, what kind of
I don't know what kind of style.
man, me I look out for you, I don't want
Look
to
out
get
for me.
something. I have come back, I call this thing.
You should have get me money long time.
Avoid me not chat to me, dirty man.
Why? Sardine a body man. KFS. Kentucky Fried Sardine. Leave a KFC in a body so.
Mami,
Oi.
see answer fast. Oh,
Need to get ready to go out myself.
yeah, good. So me right now, I'll tell me to some of the yard still and I'm money me I go and collect.
You not get it yet?
No, so I think would I get here already, but me not get it yet.
Them phone you and tell you if you come feet now though.
No, you know say me the whole link him for cause me I say anytime he get him must think myself but more know where I go on cause right now some things more sort out man. But I'm glad for that little piece of money there now too. So go page him and see if we can get him money. You know that me kinda wanna do.
Davi, that's what me I tell you about friend, you know. I same thing me I tell you about friend, eh?
What you mean?
If TB did have any decency, you wouldn't have to chase him for the money. He would have link you from soon o'clock a morning and tell you where for me to, or better yet, come deliver it to you.
Yeah,
Eh?
that's true, mommy, but you know, maybe he just not get here. I can't bash him, I don't know. I know that's why I go over there and I go try to find out what go on, you know?
Because business and friendship now mix.
No, not at all, man.
And that's what me I tell you, say, your dreams and your aspirations is blessings, like your shirt, it bless. So, no worry about friend too much. Here, cause look what friend do. Now you have to panic and you have to run all over the place like a headless chicken for your money that you work damn hard for.
Alright. Me see what go on. Anything I come back and make you know what go on.
Alright.
Alright.
Make me know if you have to bust no head, you know.
No, man.
Alright. Let me get my bag. Jessica! What happened? What try this? You say turn up to them, you think I want a man. Are you a man? Where you look for some girl?
No, you're good, ma'am.
Where do you like a shadow?
No, I don't say there.
What you?
I'm trying to say I'm feeling gone up.
Jessica, you like a shadow?
No, I choose one dog girl, I don't want to go smell because if it's
Run your dung in a this way, I can?
Yeah, so you see my last name, I just look at this one black something.
You don't
Or one brown
say.
something.
Anyway, I come over your yard earlier this morning to check for you, but I never did it.
So what you come here for?
I come over your yard because my flight cancel. And I make a U-turn and I have sickness over here that I want to get done. So I come look for your fine gentleman and his friend because they do an awesome job.
Sure.
I want to give him one next
No,
piece of work
you need to give me.
and tell him thanks. See.
No, I good, mama. Tell him already say. I said thanks. You did an excellent job.
Well, I know you move so
Brilliant.
fast.
No, man. I just feel like I have a panic attack.
Hey! Anyway, Jessica, a girl, by the head or the cook.
You can't come on my yard. No offense, Chelsea, but you can't come on my yard. You know because I be a pit bull over my yard, man.
I be a pit bull over your yard,
So
Jessica?
big pit, if they catch you, you're dead.
So, well on, wait. You have bunks two sides. So, pit bull over your other gentleman here too?
Girl, shark, helicopter, everything over there. I'll get over there too.
The thing sitting wrong with you.
So you can't go over there side unless you want unless.
Jessica,
What?
you make me feel some type
Girl,
of way.
me
You
a
look
panic.
two
No,
side
that's
like
true. Me feel very claustrophobic.
you're claustrophobic in an open tin here. Anyway.
Yeah. Later, you can't go on, man.
No man, no, this
You're
is
good.
serious. Wait Jessica, wait there, calm down. Not gonna worry my business, but me just say. By the hook or the cook, me I go see the young man to hire him again to do some more work over me.
Me if you talk
over
about
me
that.
people
Mama
in
saw
yard.
my man and me if you talk about that. Me have friends, you need to find me man and tell me anything. And me if you tell. Me everything runs.
So you put him on power work and you collect and then you do the work.
We have talk so loud, find a couple nice. You know, so much years.
Oh. Alright, Jessica.
Yeah, where you go?
Me I go down the road.
Which part on the road?
Me not have to tell you which part down the road.
Where you go up or down?
Me I go down the road. That me just say down the road.
Yeah, I can stay down the go. Later here.
Me go come back up, me must say me not go back for now. More day after a while.
Just not come on me yard. What?
More day after a while, me not go back for now. My flight cancel.
What do you mean by your day after a while? Hold on.
More day after a while, man. Just don't worry about it. Move see a girl. Move see a man. Don't worry yourself. Where you going so far?
No man, that's a panic attack, man. Good.
She behave like she killed somebody. I could have what do. Anyway, Granny, that's the one who concern me. Leave it alone. Me I got straight down the road.
How that?
Yo, Davi.
Far no, bro.
Where are you?
Yeah, bro, everything good.
Massa.
Man. Yeah, man, oh God, man. A long time we are suffering now, we are far, you know, bro, and we are trying to make it out of the good time, you know.
Bro, not all no good dog. You know, some babe mother call me this morning. True, me didn't even want to tell mother dog. Some babe mother call me this morning and say, yo, right now we pick me catch flu. And he gone a doctor. And how much medicine I have to go buy. Baby, I for the blood test. And I said, bro, right now my head hot and my head feel like you just boom off and explode, dog.
Gentle, bro.
Right now, dog, I know say if things are tough and money even link you, but I make you link me, but you don't get your money yet.
Boy, I know say me I go through one difficulties problem, bro, but
Difficulties.
yeah, bro, bro, me have to just pay out of my pocket here, man, cause if me woman a tell me say, oh, him go by such person here that a Chelsea or go work for, and she no up there and she a call on her phone and now get her.
I don't understand that.
Bro, that come like a scam, bro, robbery.
So what you say, we don't get paid then?
We don't get paid, me have just hustle up my money, bro, and just pay out of my pocket.
No, brother. Bro, I don't want to do it. No, man, no payment on my pocket, dog. That good. I say I may go for the work, and I may not get the money, dog. So that good, man. We just take care as a loss. Borrow a piece of money, might be sent to me, mother, and just know, say I don't need it, dog. But for me, I do the work, I may get scammed, dog. That's why I didn't think about it. That's why I'm the access to if your man know him good enough, dog. Cause sometimes I feel people energy, dog.
Come like a joke thing, bro. Come like this plan for something, bro.
What make it so?
Cause my woman tell me say I have everything under control. And a different thing after we done work.
Boy. So I didn't think that, dog. You know, I need even kind of broke my energy still, dog. I big up myself. I go and report you or something.
Alright, bro.
Acha. Hello. Miss, no fear, you have to cook one night. What do you? No, you are Chelsea.
Yeah, got Chelsea in here.
Miss, you know how long I want to see if you have one word. What make you so wicked? What make you put up and work and can't make we get our money?
Hold on.
The amount of frustration me I got you. What make you stay so?
Wait, are you come with the young man where Jessica sent to do the work? Cover me here?
Yes. What make you not make we get our money, miss? We come in your yard and call on your phone and can't get you. That's a 15,000 hard.
Wait. Hold on, for me one night me I sleep and I dream or this real. What you say happened?
Miss, you put up and work. Look how you never like how your place look. You could have tell we say you never like how you look, you know. Look how my work out my heart and soul.
Hold on, calm down. Stick away the popping. I mean, I think I'm here to talk to you know. I must somebody else I want to talk to. I could have never me.
So how me I talk to them?
You do the work over the yard, over the premises where you and Jessica
Boyfriend, yes.
Yeah. You know some flight cancel. I turn back and go look on the place. I commend you guys so well. The good job one of you was an extreme job. We never see nobody work to me, so clean it for me know myself. I know that Jessica so me deposit the cash in her account because she can deal with her money. So I did that. I never get people no money when you need to go lunch and to buy a drink. So my son I want extra 5,000 in her account. So I don't know supposed to get $20,000.
It's not even $100 I'm not get.
What do you mean not get even $100?
$100 I'm not get. No link the youth
so you not go to TV, you don't have to be working, man.
Me link him say he not get no money because a woman responds to work and he said, woman, I call you and now get you.
Wait.
And it's like you run off.
Jessica called my phone and I get me book up Jessica that when me I look phone if you put on up on some more work. Because when you do a tremendous job. And me tap Jessica road and I talk to her and me don't know what she a freak out and a panic about. But anyway, me walk off left her to come down the road. I down the road, me tell her, say me a come. She ask me which part down the road me I go. Me tell her, say no, no, her business. I'm going about my business. So me don't really know what the contanglement or entanglement we want to go on with she, but we know if you take out on the differences with Jessica because of she me pay. She say she me if you send the money and she send me her account details and me send her $20,000. So me don't understand why you see me on the road and I say to me now. That's why I say I could do me a talk to.
Alright.
Because I don't put people on work and not pay them. I have never done that before and I will never do it.
Tell her. See if I throw it, I tell me from the bottom of my heart, me do apologize.
You know, if you ask me if I truth, me I tell I am telling you, it's the truth.
My sister, me I say somebody I tell me a lie. I don't know if I you, I don't know if I Tibi, I don't know if I'm girlfriend. But yes, if I know you, I really do apologize. Me I make that clear.
Yes, man.
Miss, I need some time to think because this information I overload my brain. God
What do you
knows.
mean overload? So wait, the time when you take fear see me on the road and attack me, you did go over a young man yard and talk to him in front of
Miss,
a woman over there?
Me no know, me any woman no good luck at that. I go at him, me know, and at him.
I don't understand how
Yes, tell her.
me say no money go get Jessica and she no pay you no, and no she do the work. And no she do the job. So she supposed to pay you no. Anyway, apology accepted. I'm really sorry say you have to go through that. But when you explain this to your budget when you see my name TBRY1 name. Explain this to him for me and make him understand say me send a transaction go give woman and that she responsible to pay £200. No matter of fact, I'll give you my number.
Me know my phone, take my number.
Please and thanks. Because I don't like them a kind of I don't like them a kind of drama, yeah.
Thanks, me I go.
Take it easy, man. Whatever you go through, you work itself out. As me say, just work on it. Such a nice young man, eh? Two young man, the people them take them time to go do my job and get it done. Eh? That's why I see young people now want to work. Because when you put them on work and people pay them and you tell lie and me money, not more than just take your money and buy it. I wonder if he hairstyle when I see him have up, I feel my money and take and do it. I go find out. Let me catch up with her.
Where I come from? Where I come from, B?
What problem, marriage?
You know, say that we come over here a while ago, not too long.
For what?
And I tell me one situation about in Pitney youth. I mean, man saying in youth sick, bro. Have cold and medicine have to buy and yesterday me and the man go on some work. But you make me put him on pan say cause you know. Cause you can't go work, you know.
You gonna blame me?
Jessica, where your friend there?
Anyways, is somebody Chelsea come back on?
Where your friend there?
Chelsea calling you?
Chelsea are calling me for me. I don't want to see that the woman there again.
So I'm saying if she come back on link you.
Where you put me on work for if you know me nobody that will get money. Me all tell the man say I will pay more out of my pocket when me hear man situation. When me hear man situation, me I say yo, me will pay out of my pocket, bro. But me don't ever throw how far we come from, bro. We are hustling in the street. Man say yo, that good, bro. You have to reach out to Chelsea, brother, make me can get him money if you give man, because man, you sick, bro, I want medicine.
Why am I leaving up to you? Because that's very sad. But it's not my fault. Can't not about it.
Are you your fault? Can you tell me say
Me not make me have nothing.
B, don't tell me next time. I don't really like to me that
Me I look out for you as a woman, right? That's what I'm doing. Me make sure you get work so you can provide for both of us and can motivate you. But at the end of the day, you're cussing because it go wrong. And my fault woman is a scammer because basically that she do. She said she go clean something and she not do no. And I kind of mess up, but not my fault. Me I try no. I'm trying. And then you'll be like you want me to feel that way about it. But it's okay, you win.
You make sure say me get hurt, yes. But then I make sure say me get the money. Be next time you do this something, bro, you have to make sure it's legit. The 1000% sure. Say legit. Cause you would look at it right now. Man see the man you sick. And the man want the money. And I made him go mash up big all I work yesterday.
Well, I hear fast.
And just show my brethren. The man believe in me and rate me, bro. Trust me. And see it, you know. See all Chelsea, bro. You want to see him right now, you know, because I see him right now, I'm going to box him down, you know.
You don't need to box the girl. It's just that your fuck. I'm going to tell you to bring Davi. So you still bring him.
Okay, alright.
But you see, I go pay him back out of your pocket, so no problem.
See, alright. Now go up on the red car. You know, try if you understand me.
No, yeah, I do. But I make me feel how we are, so what I want to do, I do.
Come here. Why you just walk past me, so?
Sorry.
Oh, what do you?
Well, me, I want to make it there, so none at all, though. God, no, man, me not.
You get through? That's a no.
No, sir. Mommy. Don't say I go over TB yard. TB I tell them, I say, money on forward. The woman run off. I call him and I let him blah 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 blah. They must say I even him. I'm saying woman with in charge of the budget, which we don't even know why. Me I say alright, I normal priest still. I explain to him the situation. I'm saying I'm paying out of pocket, but me I say I'm and him go up on the work, right? So I'm me and him, I'm a virgin. Me and him go up on a work for whatever reason, you know, work out. So yo, that good yeah, man, we just borrow money and stuff.
Which part?
Well, I don't know, man. That go on, so that media thing. From my way back, guess what happened?
Wow.
I see the lady.
So,
I say, oi, what my money there? He must say, what me a talk about. First thing he see me is like, he happy to see me, but me not happy to see him because what my money there. You understand? Me not like that. So, after a while of reasoning, I guess to find out, say, the lady say, yo, he send off the agreed money. A 15,000 with value, and he must say to how the work neat, to how the work nice, and send off an extra 5,000. So, mommy, right now, me don't even know who to believe, because the money run through my hand. Me I hear say money send, and me I hear say money don't send. So right now, me don't even know what things are mommy. Me don't want to know if I see a woman see me and buck up, and he just put on one good acting face, and that go on, so he might try to confuse my brain, to turn me against my friend. I don't even want to think about other possibility, and I tell you the truth.
you have to think about it. You have to think about it. I tell you already, you see people face, you know, see them heart. Eh? All good for Tibby and the girl take to full 20,000 and spend it off on you. I bet you do most of the work. Not true? And Tibby a smoke and a drink and go on a rum bar. Yeah, mule?
But what's that other time? Post I like woman I tell. I post some miscommunication or what? Post. You know what I mean?
So she one pay you, right? And the two in the middle they know nothing about it. And you know see something fishy with that.
I see it, you know, but God know right now me I try act blind because I don't want to believe say that. I don't want to believe some friend where me and him come from so far. But do they sit there to me, mommy make me don't want to believe that.
Davi, money will make people do fool things and wicked things. All when them say them love you, eh? Money turn them head foolish and make them do all kinds of, hey.
I believe that for true.
Of course, me go through it. Me not believe it, me know it. Me just never want you to go through it. I saw life set still.
Right now, I text one time for myself, you know. Just also that the money dead. That money dead and gone.
No, that money can't dead, son. You work damn hard for the money. Am I gonna ride you like mule again?
No, man, I'm all linking now and going now. Mommy, pick up yourself. I'm just going to go and chill out. Cause right now, my head not there, so. God knows.
I know the level of work you would do, you know. I not like that, you know. I ride my child like mule. Sure.
Call the boy down because I'm calling him from where I'm not getting him. Voicemail. Oh, some time again. Voicemail again. No, son, all the phone. B.
How are you?
They are try to call Davi from when and get to him. What do you think, man? Come here. Voicemail.
Hold on.
You know, say me I called Davi from last night and me not get him.
Have you said I think you're kind of good friend?
How you mean I'm a good friend?
You're not a good friend.
Why you say that?
You don't see my move, me not link you.
Oh,
The
Davi,
last time me link you, you not see him back though.
like me I say me I call him and he not.
It's not that shit.
Me not normally call Davi and don't get Davi.
My fake friend, I need a fellow in company, kind of good.
You not tell me about my friend, but no fake friend. Probably
Oh, yeah, when I
man
book
phone,
up
something
then.
the man phone.
He always having phone on him, I tell him.
How you know that?
Because I know how I stay.
Oh, you
He
can't.
man a good friend, me I tell her, why you can't listen, he man a good friend.
Why you say man a good
You know, so
friend?
Davi been a look me all long, but she like it, they love him some more too much. You not tell you.
Eh.
Yeah, can we know me tell you and say no, sir, and you don't go back and bring me name, you love chat.
So alright, if me did not go back and bring a name, why you know you choose to tell me?
Because me that's what me say. Me never want, you know. So what you me
okay.
say, my move now, my time say me tell a friend now say my look me. Because
So there you
I'm my
go.
best friend, my look me.
Oh, so me I hear that.
You know myself below Davi, you there for something? Why you can't stick with me?
Stick with you.
Stick with me, you don't need to go now with Davi. Davi an idiot, he not no sense and he might look me, you deaf?
You must think I want
You
to
come make
stick
something
about
wrong
this,
with you.
but stick
You're
with me.
just irritating sometimes. Come to make you so stubborn.
And that be my friend for much.
Me say you have to know him out. He want me, you don't understand that, B?
What more you do? You stand the house can hold itself up, you know.
So I'm ever come with some gimmicks and jokes and but I hold me all up your house, man. I'm stress me all up. I'm just there, I think, you know.
Me not like see you stress out, Davi, so you still not get back the money.
Right now I'm pass money, you know. I want to go back for yes, but last night I go in and I sleep. I think about you and say, yo, my friend and me and him a par. My friend would say I really see the earth. He really go around me. He really and you have to know about it too, because if any woman know about me, know about it. I never want things so then they're possible, but mommy, I don't eat that. I don't eat that. It's a one, but I never listen.
Sometimes you have to learn the lesson the hard way, you know. We have to really learn the lesson. Because when people tell we know. And now you're a fault. Because me did stay the same way, all always stand the same way. You know what, believe it to your friend. Your friend can't do you that because you not gonna do the friend that.
Do him what, mommy? If right now, I'm the thief and my friend, man, rather thief and go give me friend.
You know.
Man, I'm not telling you that, man. Right now, I feel longest time when woman left me name for you, so if you know say yo, your realness I come from so far, if you know say is a man where when you have nothing, you give him. When me low, he help me out sometimes. I never expect it. Me expect a snake to come from anywhere. I never expect to come from right side of me. And that hurt me.
Yeah, man.
I always so close to you can hurt you.
That's true. Exactly what Bob said. Your best friend is your worst enemy, and your worst enemy is your best friend. That's why you have to be careful who you let into your heart and your life.
God, man, I don't feel good about you at all. But what things still for everything.
Just count that as dead loss. It's a lesson. We all have to pay for learn, and that is your price to learn this your lesson. It's not nice, it's hot. I'm sorry you got through this still, but a life. Just brush it off, learn from it, and grow from it, and get even bigger and brighter. And make them watch coattail. You have to watch your coattail because you have got through in a life. When people do that, are jealous, them jealous. Because you have got through and them feel say you are going to leave them behind. Because them know say them would leave you behind.
I would never leave nobody out.
No.
I say nobody me I talk to you and say, oh, I have to take you out of the board house, you know. I have to buy my friend them car and something. But I don't even know.
Not all friends are going to do that to you, you know. But you have to like lamp to find a good one.
That's a true still. Alright then, man.
Alright. Pick yourself up and turn that frown upside down. Ain't no worth it. Let me tell you something. You will never get this thing again. So it's up to you. What you gonna do? Waste it holding up a house that can stand by itself? Or lift up yourself Lift up yourself, man. Spruce up yourself. Jump up and spruce up yourself. No make it bring you down, man. It's hot, but life goes on, baby.
Alright. Tell her. I'll get some for sure.
Make up on the road.
Alright.
Let me see you smile when we come back, yeah?
Jessica. Yeah, you girl. Yes. How are you? You not help me yet. Me ask you, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
So you look behind you again. Anyway, I hear me come out this morning. Me glad me see you pass, girl.
So, what you have to say, talk now? In a hurry, what you say?
You're always in a hurry. The two young man them will work for me other day. Your man and him bridging. You did pay people them?
Of course.
Jessica. Girl. You did pay
Oh,
young man them?
Some pay him.
Why you pay them? How much money you give them?
What do you mean how much money I give them?
Jessica, how much money
At
this time
20, you
come
give me in all the 5 for them food, and I give Davi 5 and give my man 15.
You give Davi $5,000 and give your man 50.
I thought my man said
or
me
you
to
and
get-
your man make up and thief the whole of the money?
Alright, me tell her
No,
this.
are you thief the money or you and your man thief the whole of the
me
money?
tell her this. Me take the whole of the money and my man. Anything me want, me take it. If he work his ass off, any money when he get, I'm supposed to get. So I take all of the money, because I just gamble and he work this, he don't have no ambition.
God, the water them refresh, but we think we need one water with wow.
Me take you all that money, Chelsea. Why
I
you
want
problem?
big wow. You thief the man them money. Why you never
Man
take your
them-
man alone money and give
Me
the other
tell him
young money money?
me tell him if you not bring Davi come and know my intention, but no enough you want to bring
But I know you do the work,
friend.
Jessica. All the man them do them job. So if you go thief the money, thief your man.
But I'm not thief
share.
me thief for Chelsea.
You
I'm
see
a
you?
man money.
You see you?
What
You
you
see
have to say, Chelsea? What you have
I
to
wish
say?
that money that when me send come you did run your gut. You know say I want go got and licky. Yo,
I'm my man things.
you're ready,
And if
I
me
you
send
not
him-
smoke.
And if me send him again, me take back your money. What your problem?
I know say
Girl,
money do
go
you
on.
here. I know say money do you here. One strand them all drop out. I better say you wake up a money and not even one strand of you on the on your head. You are one wicked girl. You are one crowbait, yo. Your back too big. Your big back. Cause the money when me give you no fear. Now you do the work and you name the people the money. You're out hard and bright. That girl I do. You think me nobody slander me in no street and slaughter me? Or beat me go and come. My integrity in the street is very important. I mean, nah make you lily down my thing. Me I come down there cause you go find them boy the money and give them it back. Believe.
You know, say me go link that right now, cause the energy the right. I feel something about that, me I link him right now.
Young girl are wicked. Me say me can't. Me say that big back girl a piss me off so.
What happened to you, baby love?
Even Charmaine, what happened?
Me good. Me better than you it look like. What
You
do
better than me by far, mama. Cause me tell you, me in no good mood right now. From other day, me have sitting for me stomach, you know. And me say me have to come down to the bottom right. And from my flight cancel, me decide say me I stick around a little bit. Cause why young man attack me on the hill down this other day? Me I go about my business. Say he do some work for me in my Jessica boyfriend, TB. And they no get dollar for her and me owe them. Me work them and no pay them. Me have to make a young man know, say, I know so you go, me no do them something, them, me no work, people and no pay them. Me send the girl 15,000 to give young man them. And me send I want extra 5,000 to buy their lunch and then drinks. Because when me I left, me did a hurry. And for me, we are going to airport, me say my flight cancel. And me turn back and come check for the work. And it, then do such a tremendous job. Look how the place clean. You hold up a debris and something, then clean up the place for me. And imagine a girl collect me money and don't pay none of young man them.
Hold on. You go too fast. What you say the name?
Jessica, the brown girl,
And the boyfriend?
Tibi. And Tibi have one young man who work with him, one dark skinned man. Like I hear
Tall.
flat top. Tall. And he have little body. Two of them come here come work for me. And she said me to send the money in her account and me send the girl 20,000 and she don't pay none of them.
You know, say, God good till him too good. And God make me see, you know,
What make? Why?
the same youth, black youth you describe, and my son. And him a complain to me.
The black one are your son?
Yes. And him and Tibi come do the job. Tibi girlfriend get him the job and him not get paid for true.
And the girl just tell me when I go say and give the young man 5,000 and give man 15.
Him not get nothing.
Maybe ask her say if she do the job or a them.
No, sir.
The girl
no,
come let's
sir.
take my money to her ear.
No, sir. We have to come to the bottom of this. Come. You have
I
time?
don't them say me down at the yard.
Come
me
on,
a come, me
come talk to my son.
me have some work at the day and say me I go give them again. And she
Mhm.
tap me over there and say no, me no feel
No,
it.
come talk.
Yo, son, I tell about some friend, my dad. Is someone out there, sir?
Yo, what go on?
What do you mean,
Yo,
what
what do you mean about what you mean what go on, bro?
do you mean, what go on?
So me I call your phone and can't get it, bro.
Yo, dog, right now, I just allow some people in the chain, dog. I realize that I'm real to some man, and some man are real to my dog. You see me? So right now, anybody where call me and can't get me there, know what time it is.
So who are you?
What do you mean, who are me?
Me don't understand.
TV, if you see me now feature your energy again, dog, you know what you do to me. Yeah, your woman go around me, dog, and I don't rate that.
Go round you.
TV, you know what you do, dog. Me go up and hook. I explain to my situation, say, yo, me look up at me, have some problem, dog. And you really know in yourself, say you get money for give me. And you take you and go braff off you and buy a woman hairstyle and Popeyes and sitting there, dog. That's what you do.
Me?
What you mean? What you mean? What you mean, me?
No.
No, yeah, your woman get money. I yesterday, I woke up on Chelsea, that a woman work for him and tell me, say, if you ain't love off the work at 20,000, he said, you know, but I said 15. Ayo, when the woman tell me, it come like my heart drop out and make me mouth.
Davi, not do me that, bro.
What you mean, not do that?
Would I never do them that something, bro.
The woman now tell me lie.
The serpent job one life and
Hold on, Davi and TV. You go up and Chelsea. Make Chelsea tell you what go on.
What, my
Hold
friend,
on.
fight?
Wait, I don't want to some man in that road.
Alright, you go on. Let me can explain, because I think we don't fight. I think I want to think we don't fight over, we don't fight.
I what you think.
I want me think? Oh, anyway, me just come to tell up sitting with you and this a man.
This a man and the woman thief for money.
No, this a man and the woman not thief no money for your car. This a man you probably have if you say me thief and not pay uno. And you have if you say him thief and not give you no money time and the woman. Let me tell you something, I ain't woman. The big back girl when got over there. Take my money when me send 15,000 for each 2 hours days pay and 5,000 extra for no buy food and drinks. And when me and hurry to left out the yard, me never stop to give no more money. And when me dey from New York airport, my flight cancel and me turn back and come and look for the place. And me message her, me send her a WhatsApp message and me know say, me appreciate the work, and do my place and me appreciate the life place clean and me send the money in her account and me tell her say 5,000 extra. Gonna buy drinks and food with that. I just get to understand, just other day, me up on the hill and you stop me.
Yeah,
and when me do my homework and come back, me realize that you know, she don't pay none of money. So apparently you don't know if your woman collect your money through your account neither.
My woman?
Yes, I could have for me woman.
And me woman I tell me say you not send him no money?
No, so why idiot? And me and you, which school you go?
Any man I'm going to catch up with by
Yeah, I'm idiot. If you have to cut you all of that, let me talk to you.
Yeah,
Like
idiot.
you got more sense than him. $20,000. Matter of fact, me not grown. You want to feel your thing, because me make sure say me have my see there. Why you say no say approve, look for it. Now approve that say. Okay.
See all the woman name, not Jessica your woman name, brother.
Hey, what is in the dark? Have to come in at the
You don't
light.
go no school. Go down there go make a girl give your money.
You know say me I go over right now go finger out a girl.
Baby, a boxer to box him down. Oh, you look like
Well,
girl,
make
me
it
I want to
girl
keep
get
an
your money.
argument, dog.
Me see girl down there side now. And me tell her say me have some more work for look and now go if you know. I'm gonna be here for a while. She said me not to come over for your yard because you have pit bull over there. I'm gonna go over this time on your yard because big dog and pit bull and helicopter all kind of sitting over there.
So
because
how
me have
the
to
pit bull
ask her
must
say what that
be?
have to do with me. Because I don't work good, I don't a young man, I don't be, I don't show effort, I don't want to work, I don't work, so I don't forget to no pay. So if I work either one or no, mother go collect my money and if she get it anywhere, she will get it from you because she take your money to her here. Have a good afternoon, I am out of here.
Alright.
Thank you.
See you going to the door.
Hold on, no. Give me a minute, please.
Alright.
Thanks, yeah.
Alright.
Yo,
See you go, bro.
apologize, me dog.
Bro, I mean not accept that, you know, bro.
What if you not accept it?
Cause you diss me and style, bro.
My you, me not this, yo.
Right now, me I go over there go box down that girl
No
later.
box him down. He deserve it, but no box him down. Me I beg you, because we send you a prison, the woman there, wicked. Tibi, any money we forget, if you get it back from him, keep it up. Good dog. Because watch out. Me apologize. Me shouldn't
No accept that, bro.
It's Tibi, me
One way me go accept your apology, bro.
Oh.
Unless you prove yourself wrong, say now go ever think or feel say me go around you.
Bro, yo.
You so say normal play, man.
Alright,
Holy, bro.
alright. Yo, fling out the girl hard, here. It in drop on your face.
I'll pan your eyelash.
Alright. Sorry, me not the deficit.
I know. I'm in the mood for no Monday.
Yo, listen to me, let me tell her this girl. Say you are wicked though. What you mean when you are wicked with? You get the money, And you know, give me some, you could have give David. After me tell you one
Me not get
situation.
no money.
What do you mean you don't get no money?
Me not get no money.
Me say proof.
So what do you
Don't touch me. Me say proof.
Alright.
Don't do that. And me I give
alright.
me say me I give 4 for left my place. 1,
Stop moving on this, I'm not leaving.
2,
What do you
3. Left my place, girl. Hey, girl, I much man for mash up, you know. You're lucky, you know, because you work, man, and not pay me, you know. Hey, me have a war, you see. Mash up.
This a bush and my granny say, oh, watch ya. We don't make it to any movie. How was the movie? Comment and make me know where I go on, man. And you see if you like movie like that, or might be the one that I never feel we are all eat more movie. So just click the channel, go on the channel and go and scroll through the movie them. And go on over to Sister and Virgin channel them, make a coloring book, True World, Wrld TV, Kaylafilms, all of them, Richard Brown, Popeye, all heap of them. So just go over and do the right thing. Remember to like, remember to subscribe and do the right thing. Alright? Alright.